I get a lot of emails from rappers. They say things like, yo, produce my album for free. Yo, I have 13 fans in Schenectady. Give me some of that expensive heat for free. So I want to tell them, don't ask me for free beats unless you can rhyme better than this. I'm with my pals. Hey guys. Y'all feel that? Can y'all feel that? I see MCs that stand up in diminutive stances. If you wanna battle me, you get unlimited chances to get served. I'm no last call, as devastating as the force seems. Like fastball, you can ask all my friends. I don't lack balls, but I don't smack all assholes who catcall at my girlfriend. I don't start brawls or clap arms. I'd rather clap palms instead. Be it a handshake and all reluctant applause. I avoid throwing hands like nah, I'm mucking my cards. So catch me stuck in the bars at Celtic Corner or Imperial. Imperative material, staring at an error makes it apparent, but I'm adhering to the principle that anything less than perfection is more terrible than using lyrical in your raps and rhyming it with miracle. You're not Herb Brooks, and you don't read books, so how could you substantiate either of your claims? I'll be the Beatles with the brains of Oppenheimer, stopping inside of my copy coffins for the bottom rhymers, hotter than a flame to cauterize ya. Beat Swiss, some needle, need a rider, I'll be the freedom rider. Well, you the conceited freestyle type to only act scary. I see the facts clearly, and it isn't freestyle when you read it off a Blackberry. So if you rap staring into the back area of your static hand, you're not coming with data, you just have a data plan. And if you have to wait for your palm to start loading before you start flowing, you're not coming smarter, you just have a smartphone. And it's not like past days, I'm not trying to star moan MCs down like they were grass blades. I was 16 and this is my summer job, and just advocating for the underdog, the ones who log a 6.5-day work week just to afford some of the worst beats for dirt cheap. And even if you do never get heard, it sure beats not having learned beats to make heads turn, cause it feels better than the best sex in the whole world with your best girl, when something you helped wrote is downloaded and gets burned. And I'm not trying to make checks, get respect, direct words. I just want to kick some dumb rhymes and maybe